Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to be showing you how I did the plaid nail that you see there. And if you haven't heard, I'm doing the monthly collaboration box with Madam Glam for December. It's called the Holly Jolly Christmas box. These are the colors that are in that box that I picked out just for you. The link to the video of me showcasing my seasonal collaborational Christmas box called Holly Jolly Christmas will be in the description box below, so please check it out. And in the box is a insert, and it tells a little bit about me and who I am. I really appreciate Madam Glam asking me to participate and do the December seasonal box. I am just so thankful. So yeah, check it out. The colors are deep burgundy, Lost in the Woods is the green, and the gold is called It's Not You, It's Me. And I will also be using the color Perfect White in this video. I have a few droplets of the green, gold, and white on a tile, and I'm using a striper and a nice, very flat square brush. I thought I would show you how I did the gold icicle nail because it's so easy. I just used the gold gel polish and put it around the cuticle area and took the striper brush and just pulled that gel polish down towards the tip. And then you add a little bit more, pull it down, and you will probably have to go over this at least twice. And then you top coat it. It's such a simple design. Very, very simple. You can see me loading up my brush with the gel polish in the background. I really like this brush because it's very flat and it keeps a flat shape. Now I'm just going to stripe down by the cuticle area, and if you notice I am rolling my finger. Watch. You see me roll my finger? Now you can do that on yourself. If you're doing a client, you won't be able to roll their finger for them, and you'll want to cure this stripe, and then you're going to have to go over it again a second time like here and then cure it. Now I'm taking the gold and I'm going to do a gold stripe on each side of the green stripe. Now I run a stripe down the side of gold, and then I will cure that. And now I'm going over the gold stripes and I'm going to cure them once more. And here I'm coming in with the white, and I'm going to stripe just underneath the gold there. And now I'm running a white stripe right down beside the gold. And then I will run another white stripe on the other side of the gold stripe and cure those into place. And you will have to go over the white one more time, curing that into place. Just going over the white one more time. I'm just adding a few lines on the green, and then I'll cure that into place. And lastly, top coating with Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Coat and curing, and then it's finished. I wish I would have showed you what it looks like with a matte top coat because it was really pretty matte too. And I would like to know how you all are liking my voiceovers. Please let me know in the comments, and be looking out for the bow nail to come up next. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!